Good morning, students. Let us start with question number 10 of exercise 3.4. The question is, in a right triangle AB, angle B equals to 90 degree. If AB equals to 14 centimeter, BC equals to 48 centimeter, find AC. There are two questions. I will be doing the first one for you. Next question you will be doing on your own. Now let us solve it. It was given that in a right angle triangle ABC, AB equals to 14 centimeter, BC equals to 48 centimeter. We have to find out AC. Angle B is 90 degree. So you all know the Pythagoras theorem. So here we will be using the Pythagoras theorem. We know that by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We will just use that formula and solve it. So let us solve it. AC square equals to 14 whole square, that is AB, plus 48 whole square, that is BC. When you solve it, you will get 14 square equals to 196 and 48 square equals to 2304. When you add it, you will get AC square equals to 2500. Now you have to find out the length of this AC. So to find out the length of this AC, we have to find out the square root of 2500 or 2500. So here we will be using the division method. As I have taught you how to find out the division, square root by division method, let us solve it once again. So here it is 2500. Again what we will do the pairing from the right side. So here I have done the pairing 0, 0, one pair, 25, another pair. Now 5 5s are 25. Now what you will get here? It is 0. Now you add them. 5 plus 5, 10. Now we have to see the number by which if you multiply, you will get it 0. That is again 0, you all know. So 50 square. So AC equals to 50. Now let us do question number 11. A gardener has 1400 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remains same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Now what is given? It is given that the total number of plants is 1400. It is also given that the number of rows and number of columns are equal. So let the number of rows be equal to x. So the number of columns will be also equal to x. According to the question, x into x will be equal to 1400. So x square equals to 1400. So what will be the value of x? That will be the square root of this 1400. So let us find out the square root of 1400. Let's see, again we have done the pairing. I hope you all must have practiced during the summer vacation and you must have known how to find out the square root. So again 3 3s are 9, 5 remainder. Again I have added here 3 plus 3 6. I have taken down both the terms 0 0, that is 500. Now we have to multiply this 6 with such a number that I get the number equal to 500 or less than that. So I have multiplied by 7. 7, here I have written 7. Again I will multiply this whole term by 7. 7 7s are 49. 4 carry, 7 6 are 42 plus 4, 46. So it is, the remainder is 31. So what remainder I am getting? I am getting it as 31. This means what? That this 37 square is less than 1400. Means what will be the next perfect square after 37? That is 38 square. Now what is 38 square equal to? That is equal to 1444. Now the question is, find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Means we want the number of rows and columns are equal, so it is a perfect square. So and by here we see that 1400 is not a perfect square. So if I use this 1400, 31 plants will remain back. But the question is, what is the minimum number of plants we need more? So if what will be the next perfect square? That is 38 square. So required number will be 38 square minus 1400. That is 1444 minus 1400, that is 44. So the minimum number of plants which we need more for this is 44.